Discover the ultimate solution for hassle-free pet grooming with our selection of the best pet grooming vacuum kits. Say goodbye to pesky pet hair and dander with powerful suction and specialized attachments designed to effortlessly remove fur from your furry friends. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best pet grooming vacuum kits you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Bunfly PC-S1, ranked as the 5th best among pet grooming vacuum kits, this innovative device is a game-changer in pet care and household cleaning. With its 13-in-1 multifunctional design, it's not just a pet grooming tool, but also a versatile cleaning companion for your home. From removing loose pet hair to tidying up crumbs on the sofa, this all-in-one solution handles it all. Equipped with a spacious 3-liter dust cup, the Bunfly PC-S1 can effortlessly groom 2 large dogs in one go, thanks to its ample capacity. Cleaning is a breeze with its 1-finger hair collector opening, ensuring hassle-free maintenance without much effort. What sets Bunfly apart is its pet-friendly approach. With noise reduction technology and 3 adjustable suction levels, it ensures a calm grooming experience for your furry friend. Plus, its powerful vacuum function captures 99% of pet hair, keeping your clothes hair-free and eliminating the need for post-grooming cleanup. Backed by a 1-year warranty and round-the-clock customer service, Bunfly guarantees peace of mind. Priced at an affordable $149, it's a valuable investment for pet owners seeking efficiency and convenience. Meet the Oneisall BM1, the ultimate solution for pet grooming at home. Combining a vacuum, dryer, and clippers into one versatile tool, this 3-in-1 kit revolutionizes the way you care for your furry friends. With the added bonus of a blow dryer, bid farewell to expensive groomer visits and embrace the convenience of home grooming. Designed to leave no hair behind, the adjustable suction ensures optimal performance for pets of all sizes. The inclusion of curve slicker and shed brushes ensures effective hair removal while keeping your pets comfortable throughout the process. With 7 levels of blow temperature and a variety of nozzles, you can effortlessly dry and fluff your pet's hair to perfection. Plus, with a generous cord and hose length, you can even groom your pets outdoors. Say goodbye to noisy grooming sessions that scare your pets. With noise levels below 60 dB, this vacuum ensures a calm and stress-free experience for your furry companions. Whether using the clippers with or without the vacuum, achieve professional-looking cuts with ease. By attaching the clippers to the hose, you can trim your pet's hair without worrying about cleanup. Priced at $140. Discover the LMVVC Grooming Kit, ranked as the number 3 best pet grooming vacuum kit. Tackling pet grooming has never been easier or more efficient with this innovative product priced at $89. Featuring a spacious 2.3-liter dust cup, this grooming kit minimizes the hassle of frequent emptying, allowing you to focus more on grooming your furry friend and less on cleaning up stray hair. With its ability to instantly capture 99% of pet hair, grooming becomes virtually mess-free, making it a game-changer for pet owners who dread the cleanup process. Moreover, its low-noise decibel ensures a comfortable grooming experience for your pet, keeping anxiety at bay. The kit boasts a versatile 5-in-1 design, including essential attachments like a slicker brush, comb, clippers, fabric brush, and hose, making it adaptable to various grooming needs. Backed by a robust warranty policy of 3 years, with free replacement within the first year for any quality issues, you can trust in the durability and reliability of this grooming kit. Introducing the Airrobo PG100, the ultimate solution to pet grooming and home cleanliness. Ranked as the number 2 best pet grooming vacuum kit, this innovative tool boasts a formidable 12,000 PA suction power, efficiently capturing up to 99% of pet hair during grooming sessions. Bid farewell to hair-laden furniture and revel in a pristine, fur-free living space. Crafted with a low-noise design, the Airrobo PG100 ensures a tranquil grooming experience for your pet, with noise levels below 50 dB. With 3 adjustable suction levels tailored to accommodate various pet sizes and temperaments, it guarantees optimal comfort for your furry friend. Equipped with 6 different-sized guide combs ranging from 3 to 24 millimeters, this kit offers versatility in trimming pet hair of varying lengths, ensuring precise grooming results every time. Featuring a large-capacity dust cup, pet owners can seamlessly groom larger dogs without frequent interruptions for emptying. The quick-release snap on the dust cup facilitates hassle-free disposal, enhancing grooming efficiency. Experience professional quality grooming at home with the 5-in-1 pet grooming kit and vacuum, catering to both long-haired and short-haired pets alike. Priced competitively at $89. Say hello to the Bunfly C2, the ultimate solution for pet grooming and household cleaning. This innovative kit combines 17 functions into one sleek device, making it a versatile addition to any home. Not only does it efficiently remove loose pet hair, leaving your furry friend looking sleek and shiny, but it also tackles everyday messes like crumbs, dust, and hair on furniture and clothes. Equipped with a spacious 3.5-liter dust cup, the Bunfly C2 ensures uninterrupted grooming sessions for even large pets, without the hassle of frequent emptying. Its one-touch hair collector makes cleanup a breeze, eliminating the need for extensive maintenance. With advanced low-noise technology, the Bunfly C2 operates quietly at just 50 dB, ensuring a stress-free grooming experience for pets and owners alike. Plus, its powerful vacuum design with 13 kPa suction power efficiently captures 99% of pet hair, preventing it from clinging to clothes or surfaces. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Bunfly C2 offers peace of mind and reliable performance, priced at just $99. Much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.